I'm going to take and show you 3 different safe knife practices. So one is you come down here and you're coming away. See how I'm cutting away from myself? So there's that grip. So if you need to take off more, it's a reverse grip. You can see here how that digs into my wrist here. And you're pulling back with this hand. So your knife is braced here, and you can pull back here. Works great when you got wood that's got notches. Or not notches, but knots. Easy to make tent stakes this way. Or steaks.